Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. The Jamaican police have issued a picture of a female involved in the murder of the 8-year-old Danielle Rowe. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a breaking news, and it appears to be a female or a she-male. Listen, Wagwan. Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. You know I'm Rastafari soldier, Deep Roots TV. Thank you for tuning in. If it's your first time tuning in, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Leave your comment, ladies and gentlemen. The police are seeking the public's help in finding a woman they believe can assist them with information relating to the death of 8-year-old Danielle Rowe. The police on their Twitter page released the image developed using an electronic facial identification technique of a woman they believe may be to provide information regarding the case. The police report are that the child was abducted from the school last Thursday and her throat was slashed. It appears Rowe, the student of Braeton Primary in Portmore, St. Catherine, was taken from the institution in a motor car, transported to Vineyard Town in St. Andrew, and then thrown from the vehicle, police theorized. What a brutes! The wounded child was later found and rushed to the hospital where she died on Saturday. The police, following the incident, launched a massive search to bring the person or persons responsible for the death of this child to justice. The police said that they are also looking at video footage that was captured at the location where the injured child was found. Police said that the woman is a brown complexion, slim built, and about 178 centimeters, that's 5'10", tall. She appeared to be in her early 30s. Meanwhile, anyone with information that can assist the police in locating her is being asked to contact the Halfway Tree Police at 876-9268-184 or 876-9268-186. The police 119 emergency number, Crime Stopper at 311, or the nearest police station. And that is why me tell you, say it's either a female or a she-male, because of the description. When me I get pan this woman, five what? What am I saying? 5'10"? That is a tall woman. And she appeared to be in her early 30s. Light skin, sound like a bleacher, masquerading as a woman. You organ ladies and gentlemen, the police are asking you in the Halfway Tree area, ladies and gentlemen. This child was taken away from an institution, school in Portmore, and they found the child Vineyard Town with her throat slashed. This is unbelievable. Where is our morals? Where have my island Jamaican come to? What have we allow our morals to fall to? Where our morals? Where's our courage? We started out protesting, gathering, assisting the police in looking for this murderous killer that now has the Vineyard Town and the Portmore area terrorized. It appears that the camera system, the eye on Jamaica, is working, because at least we have a picture floating around here on the internet, ladies and gentlemen. If you know who this person, and this person look familiar, me not tell you no lie, look on the eye them. This person look familiar. More than likely, I want to bleach out man this. Yeah, with your head tie up. Listen to me, people. If you know something, say something. We are losing our children. If you have no love, no care, no compassion for the elderly, the children, and women, then our society is heading down a doom. I mean, this is a damnation and appalling to see that. A little 8-year-old girl taken from her school, then cut her throat and fling her out the car. You see him like good and evil is at war. It's unbelievable. My condolences to the family of Danielle Rowe. Look at 8-year-old girl, ladies and gentlemen. What is really going on? Now, if this is really a woman, it's got to be a stepmother or a woman that is in rival with the parents, with the mother, or a woman that the father dumped, or coming from a rival faction. Ladies and gentlemen, you know the function. If you can't catch Quaco, you're catching shot. So the police have to investigate who this family is in skirmish with, because this is appalling. The children are always innocent. And look at this. It look like say them conscience have an absent. It look like say I never met them with no conscience. Where is the humanity in my society? Jamaica has gone to the snakes and the dogs. It appears that we don't have no love in our heart no more. The island of one love turned into one grudge. It appears that we have lost the love that we have been given from above, from the Most High, and from a place where the sun always comes up, and a pure love that is my island of Jamaica, a paradise. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm telling you once, I'm telling you twice, I'm telling you thrice, this is appalling and unacceptable in any society, in any civilized society. We are worldwide. When we do the crime, we are giving the country's government permission to do tyrannic things to us, like track us, like watch us, like scrutinize our activity, So, wanna go on, give bro God a reason to put down the strong hand of God power with them brown God. Ladies and gentlemen, the halfway tree police is asking for some assistance with the deliberate killing of this young child. 8-year-old Danielle Rowe, taken from her school, Portmore. So who the school them turn over this a little 8-year-old to? Them no know. Somebody never side tree her, or them just scoop her up on the side of the road. What a guan pan, what a guan. As so we leave with little children out there, as so we no cater, as so we have no observation point for them, as so we have no elders turning them over. This is a criminal intent, both on the people that perpetuate this crime and the systems at the school. The government needs to tighten up how we are moving our children from institution to institution. This is a crime on the whole doggone island of Jamaica. Listen, them pick up the youth from school from Portmore, bring her all the way to Vineyard Town, done her for sure, slice her throat, fling her out the car like a little goat. It's unbelievable, ladies and gentlemen. Leave your comment. We're asking you for your help. We're pleading to you to make Jamaica safe again. I mean, that is not a lot of things we're asking. Stop quenching your brethren, stop quenching your family, stop quenching your friend. You now hear me I say, let's call in the 119 number. Let's call in the 113 number. Let's call in halfway tree number, people. The police are asking for your help. Call the halfway tree police department, 876-926-8184 or 876-926-8186. Call 119 or the 311 number, because that is what we're going to have to do. We have to collaborate. We don't have to get this thing out of our mind about informing. Information is good. That's why you log on to YouTube. That's why you go up on the internet. That's why you even go to school. That's why you listen to the TV and the radio. Enough you get on your head out the dirt. Jamaicans, for what it's worth, blouse and skirt, and we are promote the illegality and the crime on our own self. It's a shame. A species that fight against itself is bound to doom. Ladies and gentlemen, hit that red subscribe button, leave your comment. If you know something, say something. It's a little 8-year-old princess and the families and friends in a Portmore grieving. My condolences, ladies and gentlemen. And more life and more joy. Jamaica has released a picture developed by a facial recognition identification software. So you see, we're getting somewhere. More life, more joy. 8 years old. We call. We have no soul.
So from them mix with
no soul.
Them mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning. Them have to mix with the thunder.
But you say Rasta, they are red, green, and gold. We gon' stay ball pan them.
Hey Babylon, me
we gon' stay ball.
Who flashy like the nana, who roll the thunder. Deep root flashy like the nana, him roll the thunder.
Yeah, we gon' make Jamaica safe again, man.
Them a panda. Look how
We
much
gon'
of
make
them
Jamaica safe again.
How much of they use them all them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs full of say you can't turn ya. Fire key, Rasta man and a real fire key. Boy, fire key, Rastafari soldier real fire key. Yeah, balalang bang,
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in here every time.
You don't know no Deep Roots TV, and a big up and a locking and tuning, sin. Rastafari, give thanks.
Big up Deep Roots TV. Tap in. Deep Roots TV. You already know what it is.
Big up Deep Roots TV for me now.
Yeah man, it's not a squash. It's a squash. Oh, a Sasquatch. Big up Deep Roots TV every time. Yeah man.
Yes. Big up Deep Roots TV every time. Blessings, Rasta Soji, I already know. Bless up.